Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Antsle Nano. This is to build your own mini cloud for your small business or your home or whatever really you need it for. It is a Raspberry Pi device. It comes with this 128GB microSD card right here. The operating system runs on this, and basically what you can do is launch and create antlets. So it's little applications that run. They're like little server softwares that run on here, and they come with a really cool case for dissipating heat and protecting all the internals right there. It's very nice metal. It's got inflows for air all the way around. This is where you put the micro SD card. You have two mini HDMI ports right here. You have your power port right here, and they give you a power adapter. It's a 5.1 volt 3 amp power adapter. You have the audio port here, two standard USB 2.0 ports right here, two USB 3.0 ports, and a Gigabit Ethernet port. So you also have Wi-Fi built in. So what you want to do is set it up with the Ethernet port, and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi and then administer it from there. You can use your iPhone, you can use your Android device, Windows, Mac, Linux, but they have a custom operating system on this memory card, and it comes pre-installed with the Antsle Nano Cloud. You can get this now from San Diego. It's made in San Diego right here, so it's really neat. We like things built and engineered here in the USA. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.